May is Foot Health Awareness Month. Oftentimes, our feet go ignored because they are hidden beneath socks or shoes, or because we are unable to take care of them properly. Today, let's go over a few things that you can do to help maintain foot health and keep your feet feeling happy and healthy. So what can you do at home to ensure your foot health is a priority? Check your feet daily for cuts, sores, swelling, and infections. Infections can look like reddened skin or peeling, flaking skin, or in the toenails, a yellow or green or brown or red discoloration can indicate an infection. Call your doctor or chiropodist right away if you notice a possible infection. Clean your feet every other day in warm water, but avoid soaking them because that may dry them out. Hot water and daily cleansing can dry them out and can be dangerous if you lack sensation. Don't underestimate the importance of daily moisturizing. Wounds and infections often start because our skin was not soft and supple, but rather hard, dry, scaling, or cracking. Lastly, avoid wearing shoes that are too tight-fitting or too big, as they can cause calluses, blisters, and wounds. Shoes like this are also dangerous because oftentimes they are unsupportive. So skip the flip-flops and flats, and consider asking your local podologist which shoes would be the best fit for you and would fit your foot shape and lifestyle. For more information and to get help with any questions you may have about your foot health, visit a local BioPed Footcare clinic to speak to one of our clinicians. To find a clinic near you, visit www.bioped.com/locations.